Guys, it's me and Mikey here,
Yeah.
camera guy Edgar.
Okay, so this one is almost done eating, and we fed this one before for like a long time ago, and he's just finished eating the head. And yeah, it stinks somewhere.
I want you guys to check out our website that is being made. Tomorrow? Probably tomorrow. We will not have these on check. Yeah,
These are ours, not yours.
we need them for breed purposes. If we might be selling her, because I might be selling her because she's a girl, and his baby is a girl.
Yeah, my baby's a girl, his baby's a guy.
It's mine.
So they're gonna
This
lay
is mine.
a lot of eggs.
Oh, okay, she finished.
That's disgusting.
Just put this over there for now.
Before she comes out.
Yeah.
And attacks
All right, guys. So, yeah, she's All right, guys. Let me pause the video real quick. Todd Jr. How's it feel without your dad?
Right there. That's Todd Jr. Todd's
He's in
somewhere
here. We're
there.
gonna dig around as soon as she stops licking herself like a dog.
Yeah, she needs to clean herself. She's a dirty girl.
Hold on. I'm gonna grab him.
All we gotta do is just get that rubber band, find Todd. That's it. Okay.
Oh, if you're looking at instructions to do this, all you need is this. Some oatmeal.
Yeah. We just need oatmeal in there so they can eat it.
And then spray it down
Yeah,
once in
spray
a
it
while.
so they won't turn into beetles. And yeah.
Alright, we're gonna take them out and put it in here. Or I am.
And we're just gonna
Okay, guys, we're back.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel like if we try to stick anything in there, she's gonna attack it.
I feel like we have to get that rubber band.
Yeah, I feel like she's blue. And we gotta get Todd.
Yeah, look, if you don't see in this camera, it's blue.
Yeah, wait, hold on, do it again. I don't think they saw it. Freaking, it's blue. Look at she's
Why is it blue? Yeah, screw it. Hold on. See now. Camera standing up.
Yep, I just see a rock. Lovely rocks. This looks blue.
We have blue free mattresses for sale. What the hell happened to the green? Oh, that's me.
No, skate face!
Stop it!
Stuck.
Oh!
You don't freaking pick up the meal? Jeez.
No, Todd Jr. doesn't deserve to live. Just let him.
Todd deserves to live.
He took shots. Can you get up? Can you get up?
Nuts. Yep, there we go. There we go.
You said covered in nuts.
I said she's covered in nuts. Like, you know the movie In the Heat?
You're covered in nuts. Thank you. She's up here. Now poke her.
Oh God.
There you go, baby.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, hold this. Do that thing you did.
Double.
007.
007. 007. 007. 007. 007.
That's how you get it out like a boss.
Like a boss.
That's how you be like a boss.
007.
Mine's so clear though. Like,
Time to go dig around. Todd.
okay.
Come on, Toddy Todd.
He's sticking his hand in there. Don't freaking. She's buried. Just get the rubber band out first.
Yeah. That's number one priority.
It's just dies. Dig around. I think I saw him. So, in the clump right there. In that clump. So feel around. Massage that voiceless.
Baby girl.
Baby girl. What the fuck? I think she's four more down.
This is the farthest.
Really? You can touch plastic?
Yeah.
Then dig back here.
Yeah, that's where I was going next.
I don't know if you can see that. Okay. We're just gonna look at this lovely back. Hold it upside down. Let me see. stand there?
No, I'm not gonna hold it like this.
I know.
Nothing's back here.
So, yep, they're lost in there.
Nope. I'm getting caught out one way or another.
Gonna get ya, one way or another. Gonna get ya, get ya, one way.
No, I found him. I found him.
You felt him?
Yeah, he's over here. He's over here on this side. Oh, shit's on this side. Just felt him. What the fuck?
He's magical. There's a magical mealworm. If anyone wants this $5,000 magical mealworm,
I'll see.
is he right there? No, that's wood. That's wood. That's wood right there.
You said you thought it was wood.
I said it was a mealworm. Or Todd. It's either go big or go home. Because Todd's pretty big. Like, let's see, it's like probably like almost the size of my finger. Yeah, I'm gonna pause you guys until we find him. As soon as I pause it, you found him. Okay, he's right there.
No, this is a baby. Oh, I'm afraid we lost one.
That one's dead. Okay.
I just saw something move over here.
Ah. Okay, so we found a big and alive one. That crapper right there.
Probably been in there for a while.
Yeah, I don't know how he's leaving, but we can't find Todd. Okay. And Todd's a mealworm, if you haven't noticed. Yeah.
This is stale.
Well, that thing's dead. That's why. Don't poke it.
We're here to mourn the plight of our loss.
This weird baby. Ew! I thought I stepped on it. He's right there. Okay, just there you go. Don't flick it next time. Okay, we're gonna pause it again.
Found Todd.
Yes. Oh, no.
I think because he's the lightest one. He's in there. He's right there digging. I just watered it down. Hold on, let it focus. I just watered it. Dude, look at the drops. It looks so HD. So HD right there.
You don't get zoom in, right?
No, why would I zoom in?
You can.
No, because then it loses the HD.
Oh. Okay. Look at this face of the rock, though.
Look at the rock's face.
2 eyes. No.
All right, bye guys. And we'll see you next time. Say bye.